Hello, learners. Till now, we have discussed about earning per share, adjusted earning per share, and cash earning per share, and dividend per share. Right now, I will be discussing about new concept, new ratio, that is book value, NAV divided by share. We will be discussing about adjusted book value, and we will be discussing some other ratios. Right. So, what is book NAV divided by share? Right. So, when company they issue their share, let's suppose if I take example of Zomato, right? So, if Zomato is issuing their share, right? So, what they will be doing, they will be deciding the face value of their share, right? They will be deciding the face value of their share. So, let's suppose face value of share is 10 rupees, right? Face value of share is 10 rupees. Now, Zomato, they have issued their share, and after 5 years, the value of Zomato share is, let's suppose it is rupees 500. Market price of share is how much? It is 500, right? Now what we do, we compare market price with book value of share. So there is a concept of NAV divided by book value of share, right? There's a concept of NAV. What is NAV? NAV means net asset value, right? What is the meaning of NAV? NAV means net asset value. So what is the formula for net asset value? It is going to be total assets minus liability. This is going to be the formula, right? Or also you can see net asset value is can be said as a shareholder fund also. Shareholder fund, right? It is going to be shareholder fund, right? So shareholder fund means equity share capital plus reserve and surplus, right? So if you divide it by share, if you divide shareholder fund by total outstanding shares, so you will get the market price of share, right? You will get the market price of share, right? So similarly, there is an easy method to find out this NAV divided by share ratio. You can directly take market price of a share, or you can also calculate NAV, right? So from NAV also you will be getting the market price of share, right? So what is the book value of share? Book value of share is 10 and current market price of share is 500. So if I want to calculate NAV divided by book value of share, right? So what is going to be the answer here? NAV is 500 or market price is 500 and book value of share is 10. So here you will get that market price is 50 times of book value, which is a good signal, right? If there will be difference, huge difference between market price and book value of share, it will show you good result that company's market price is continuously increasing, right? So here we will see book NAV divided by share. So initially it was 7 rupees, now 9, then 10, and current book NAV divided by share is this 30 rupees, right? Which is a good signal, right? Further, if I talk about tax rate, so tax rate will be given in annual report, or directly you can find out tax rate from Act, right? So your tax rate is 18%, 17%. So there is nothing to calculate, right? Now here, if you see, dividend payout ratio is given here. Dividend payout ratio is 61%, 45%, 38%. This is the dividend payout ratio. How you will be calculating the dividend payout ratio, right? Here company's profit is 150 crore and company is distributing dividend, that is 75 crore. Company is distributing how much dividend? Company is distributing dividend, that is 75 crore rupees, right? So here what percentage of dividend company is distributing? So 100% is the PAT, right? And contribute company is distributing dividend, that is 50%, right? Company is distributing dividend, that is 50%. So here dividend payout ratio is going to be 50%. So 75 is 50% of 100 crore, right? So this is what a dividend payout ratio, right? So we have discussed ratios related to operational and financial ratios. Now in next lecture we will be discussing about margin ratios. So thank you, stay tuned with us for more and better